I remember when you hid inside my suitcase the night before my flight. When your laugh gave you away, you cried for me to stay. I will comfort you no matter where you hide. Are you scared of falling down a well? It's not strange to have a fear you'd never tell. Just remember to be brave, and in the moments you're afraid, it's that fear that lets you know that you're alive. Before you close your eyes to sleep, you should know I plan to keep every little part of you gets the best of me. Please stop.